What's up guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the worst ARs in Fortnite history. In my last video I talked about the best, and at the time of writing this script I would say the video is doing decent. So now let's talk about the worst ARs. Let's go for 15 likes on this video and 1 new sub from it. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into it. The first AR on this list is a makeshift AR. And I mean, it's just so garbage. It's probably the worst AR in Fortnite history. The whole purpose of this AR is to upgrade it to something better because it sucks. The bloom on it was probably the main problem. It just made it so impossible to hit a shot, and when you did, the damage did not make up for it. No one carried this AR. They either had the normal AR or the primal AR in this season. Next one on this list is a tribeam laser rifle. I'm not 100% sure if this is considered an AR, but I'll consider it one for the video. The reticle in it was a circle, which made it kind of hard to hit shots with it. It also shot at a pretty decent pace, but only did 30 damage. And it was honestly just not good. It didn't do enough damage in my opinion. And it was also way too hard to hit shots. The weird thing about this gun is it felt really hard to hit shots, then you hit one shot, and then you would stop hitting shots again. It was just really weird. It felt RNG. I think this gun would have been cool if it didn't have the circle reticle. Next up is a gun that I think is a pretty cool concept but just didn't work out, and that is this thermal scoped AR. You guys already know I hate the scope AR, which I ranked last in one of my videos, and this one isn't even better. The main problem with it is it just doesn't feel good to use. I don't know why, but it feels very clunky, and the thermal scope feels like it gets in the way sometimes. The only time this is useful is finding people that are far away. I think the main problem that it shares with the scope AR is after one shot the enemy player will just build. Because it didn't really shoot fast, and also it didn't do good damage at all. It did 20-30 damage. Next AR on this list kind of feels wrong to put it here, and that is the tactical AR. It's weird because I just put the tactical AR on the best assault rifles video, but I did kind of mention this in the last video. The TAC AR I think was really good from Chapter 2 Remix, but the one from Chapter 5 Season 3 was just so bad. You could put attachments on it, but it sucked no matter what you had on it. The damage was just so bad, mainly because of the damage drop off, where if you try to use this like an AR, it would hit for 8 damage, and if you used it up close, you would get destroyed by the gatekeeper. It just wasn't good in the season. I'm glad it had its comeback in Chapter 2 Remix, because I did like using it back in Chapter 1 Season 9. Next AR on this list is the E11 Blaster Rifle. This is the AR from the collab with Star Wars, and while I do think it was fun to use and it was a pretty cool concept, the gun itself just sucked. The bloom on it was so high, which made it so hard to hit a shot. The damage or fire rate on this gun didn't make up for either. It was just an AR that hit for 30 and was kind of hard to hit shots unless you're right next to the guy. Next gun on this list might get some people mad, and that is the scoped AR. The scoped AR is currently an OG Fortnite, and in my opinion, it's the worst gun in it right now. I do really like hit scan guns with the scope, but the scope on it just isn't good, and the main problem is the fire rate. It's just way too slow. It also doesn't do enough damage to make up for the slow fire rate. So right when you shoot at someone and hit them once, they're just going to build, so it's really just so useless. The last AR on this list, I think some of you might disagree with, and that is the Enforcer AR from Chapter 5. I don't know why, but everything about it just seemed unsatisfying to me. The sound of the gun, the speed it shot at, and it was just not good. The only time I think I ever picked it up is because I thought it was a sniper rifle. Now that I think about it, the fire rate and damage wasn't too bad, but the season it was in had the Reaper sniper rifle, which was just so overpowered, the Strike AR, and so much more. With all these other good guns in the meta, it just seemed kind of useless compared to them. Alright, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching to the end. If you did enjoy, make sure you like the video, and since you made it to the end, you may as well subscribe because you're probably not subbed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.